Yep.
You take up a lot of ground.
Oh, you take a lot of ground on. Not much lane to block it. And watch this shot.
Then Lundqvist comes in. This is the last shot, and nice job there by Elliott, getting that left arm in tight.
90 seconds to go in overtime. Puck pulls back into the corner. Dallas trying to get after it. Here's Stamkos now, the franchise leader in overtime goals, and now it's Killorn.
He's got a shot right here. Let's go home, baby!
With a lightning strike in overtime.
And I think that's Steven Stamkos' 500th assist, if I'm
Wow.
wrong here. What a play by Killorn, though. Beautiful. It was a 2-on-1 against Miro Heiskanen. And Killorn made it look like, yeah, he might pass, but he holds up. There's Stammer. Yep, Stammer's going to get his 500th. And Killorn, even though he scored the goal, look at that shot.
That was beauty.
The screen, Heiskanen had to back in and play it like a 2-on-1 because there's Sergachev jumping up on the play. And that is a beauty. Right after he scored it, Killorn went to get the puck for his captain, Steven Stamkos, for 500 assists.
The assist on the 5th career overtime winner for Alex Killorn, making back-to-back wins for the Lightning as they get the win here in OT 5-4. What a game here tonight. Killorn with a winner, Steven Stamkos with a goal and an assist, including career assist number 500. Stick around for Lightning Live postgame with Paul Kennedy and Dave Andrechuk. On behalf of my partner, Brian Engvall, this is Dave Randall saying, talk to you Thursday night.
See you Thursday night.